What's up, guys? I'm back today, and today I'm gonna be doing the eclipse. So yeah, today's the eclipse today. And I'm sorry, guys, I didn't post a video like 3 days ago. I was sick, and I told my mom I wanted to post a video, but she said no because you're too sick. And yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't do anything with my video with my channel.
I always get his videos. I always call him.
Yeah. I don't know why, but I should make more videos every day. I should. For now and today, I'm gonna be making more videos. And it's getting really dark. If you guys can't see. Yeah, it's dark. It's almost getting dark. If you guys can't see. I can actually point the camera to the eclipse because it's going to ruin my camera, and then I'm not going to be able to make any more videos.
Mom, you're just getting out.
Yeah, and there's Jaden. You need some help, Jaden? You need some help?
I'm really not.
No, he's not going out.
Oh. So yeah, we're doing today's the eclipse, and it's actually 10:04 in the morning right now. And I'm sorry I can't do a live stream right now. I want to, but I can't right now.
I ordered this. Yeah?
Yeah. So yeah, that's me with the glasses.
I ordered this.
Okay, it's almost, the moon is almost covering the sun. It's like a chrysalis now. Wax? No, it's not wax. I know some stuff of the moon. It's getting so dark. Yeah, you guys, I'm not joking. It's actually It's 10:04 in the morning, and I'll even show my wall. I'll make like a video of my smartwatch one day, maybe today. I don't know. But look.
Edwin.
What?
Where's the drink set?
Huh?
Drink set.
There's no drinks. I thought you were going to drink drinks.
No.
Holy crap! It's getting dark right now. Like there was a shadow. The sun was like covering like up to here, where my feet are. If you guys can't see, and now it's over here. If you guys can see, I'm going to show you the eclipse with the glasses. If you guys can see, like, oh my god.
What's up, guys?
You guys can see. I'm gonna try you.
Alvin Gamer here.
Elvin Gamer, yeah.
What's up, guys?
So you guys, if you guys can't see, it's right there. So yeah, I'm sorry guys you can't see. Oh yeah, do you know my little brother Elvin? Yeah, he's gonna be making a YouTube channel called Elvin.
Do not give him a shout out because he doesn't deserve a shout out.
ELVIN. Elvin Gamer, just like me, almost. And he's going to be making videos too. Check out his YouTube channel, but not right now.
Mostly dumb music. Hey guys, Elvin Gamer, I'm going to go sleep. Good night. And 5 hours later. Oh wait, I'm still recording.
Yeah, but he's going to be making his YouTube channel today. So
3 a.m. challenge soon.
I'll maybe make it 3 a.m. challenge.
And then I'll prank call you.
So yeah, it's actually getting super dark right now.
Wait, where are the glasses?
It's over there. It's almost full. So yeah, guys, it's getting dark. It's super dark. You can barely see my face.
It's so small.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys I'm sorry guys, I really want to do a live stream, but I couldn't. I'll make one when I get my Nintendo 2DS XL.
You wish.
I am. I'm getting it in maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Before school starts, I'm gonna get it. But these are the glasses. We can grab my camera.
Guys, found that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I just looked at it.
I look sexy with these.
You said it in my live stream. You said it in my live stream.
I'm joking, guys.
Damn, Daniel.
Are you in a live stream?
Yeah.
We need some music here.
Hey, do you know Daniel?
Yeah, Itchy's brother. Shout out to Blue Place and to
Daniel.
He's calling Daniel. If you don't know who Blue Place, check out his YouTube channel, subscribe, and like his videos. Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Comment down below if you want.
I don't know why there's a big fat board here, but.
Oh look, my grandma came. I can actually show you guys. Sure, there's so much noise. Look.
Y aumenta un poquito el tiempo, como nos han dicho los expertos de la NASA, que podríamos experimentar. La guía aquí es importante, precisamente al fondo están hablando expertos de la NASA. Desde un principio han estado guiando a las personas minuto a minuto.
Yeah, there's like 10 more minutes before the eclipse is full right now. Right now we're in my backyard. Did I step on poop? No, I didn't. Wait, oh yeah, are you doing this live stream still?
No.
No? Okay, can you put music? He said. We really need some music.
But every time I go on YouTube, it's a live stream.
Yeah? Cool. Wait, do you have Ishmael's phone number? Oh yeah, I do too. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, well, can you FaceTime him?
No.
I can.
Oh, I think so.
Wait, you can't FaceTime him?
No.
You can't?
No,
I can.
How can you make people live FaceTime you? Like, how did you and me FaceTime you?
Because we have iPods and iPhones, and Isabel has an iPhone 7.
I have a phone.
You have an iPad. Oh, dude, look, it's getting dark.
Did you see it already?
Yeah.
Edwin, ¿qué te dije?
Every time on this video, it's a 30-second ad.
30 seconds? Yeah, that's what happens to me too. There's also
I just get ready and put the video.
Oh yeah. It's really dark. Put it right here. Super dark.
Dude, it's trying!
Super dark right now.
This line. Look at the rainbow.
Oh yeah, it tastes like it's like
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh flavor.
Okay, Jake.
No, that's just really good.
Okay, sure. Oh. Oh yeah, it's turning.
Meter aquí adentro con el bebé.
We can only.
I don't think you guys can see. It's super dark right now. Okay, I can show you guys. It's so dark.
Okay.
No, JJ.
No. This one is more good. Yeah. Try it.
This over there is the grocery.
Do this. Dude, I was trying about a popsicle.
Strawberry. Okay.
How do you open it? Oh.
I'm close to dark right now.
I never tried.
It's getting super dark.
And then where did you get these?
Why?
I want the rainbow.
I got the
Taste
light.
the rainbow.
I don't know. A
And
Winko?
Winko. Winko?
Hmm?
Yeah. Wow. You
My popsicle's bent, guys.
Hey, do your viewers know where you live?
know, most of them.
Should I tell them where I live?
4th Street, and 10:30 after you live.
No, I'm just going to tell them which state,
What's
which
up,
country
guys?
you
I'm
live.
eating a
I live in the United States, of course I
in
do.
here's Edwin and Logan.
At Oregon, Gresham, Oregon.
Here's,
But I'm not going to give you my street.
4th. But they don't know your house number.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing super dark right now. It was like,
Yeah. Shout out to him. He showed me his house for some reason. Logan get the good one, yeah? Yeah, Logan, you get a good one. This is not taste like liquid. I got watermelon. It tastes like and what's your flavor? What's your flavor?
cherry with blueberry.
Aaron got blueberry with cherry, and I got watermelon with orange. And Logan got Play-Doh rainbow. Play-Doh rainbow.
Oh, wow.
It's doing super dark.
Yeah. It's weird, huh?
That was
Yeah.
scary. I'm mommy. I want my teddy bear.
Oh my god.
You're like, mommy, I want my shadow to help me.
I don't know why we're eating
He's my
popsicles.
shadow. I mean, it is getting dark, so I'm trying to go sleep. Help you. He's my shadow. Point
Put some music.
See you next time.
I think this is my my longest video on my YouTube channel. 12 minutes.
I like the last of his video. He's like, I'm out. Peace. That's his.
But it's like that. I'm like,
these YouTube channels.
this is what I do when I
2,
log off
3,
my channel.
4,
My
5. 5 YouTube channels.
Aquí no se va a cubrir todo, ¿verdad? ¿O sí?
maybe.
I look 1, 2. Okay, Jaden is strong.
Magic getting in the mouth. Mira columpio.
¿Ah?
Oh, columpio.
Yeah, I want to see it.
No.
I wanna see it.
Llevo tiempo que no se va a ir a llama.
No, ya. Vamos video ya.
Whoa, it was so small.
Holy crap, it's so dark. I'm sorry guys you can't see it, but it's really dark. Oh crap. Sorry guys. Holy crap. Oh my god, my head is deciding to destroy top. Oh, I got brain freeze. Oh my god. I got brain freeze.
Oh God, not this song. Edwin, don't you remember whenever you turned mad, we run really fast?
Well, we're not playing time.
I am.
Wait, how? Wait, what? It's Elvin's iPhone. That's Elvin's iPhone, right?
I'm alive. Oh, for goodness.
Cuckoo. It's super dark. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the eclipse right now.
Will you say Jenny a little bit?
Bendy sold. So I'm sorry guys if you can't see. I think you guys is didn't even see nothing.